Okay, this ladder has an attic tent, which I really like and appreciate. So, saves me a lot of, but like the other attic, and I don't know if you're going to see that one first or this one first. Probably that one. But screwed in place. Screwed in place instead of nailed. There's the instructions. The attic the light is over here on the left, and it's secured. It's secured, not like the other one. It's not in the video. I found that when I was coming out of it. There's a floating junction there. Let's come up in our attic, and it's the same as the other one. It's OSB decking. We have depth markers, like 19 inches. That's good. I can see soffit baffles in there. So we got soffit baffles. That's good. I'm not gonna get too carried away yet. I'll find something. That's the bathroom vent. Vents directly into the attic. Not supposed to vent directly into the attic. This gas piping should have a board in front of it and on top of it to protect it, because you don't want, well, they kind of have boards there, but not really. It's supposed to be an unobstructed 22-inch walkway to these areas. But you don't want people stepping on your gas line. I don't want people stepping on my gas line. We got sediment traps for all the gas lines, don't we? We do. Sediment traps, P traps, nice deep P traps. Is that true? Look at that. Alright, cables. We come on along, we got our vents. I'm not seeing any palm bracing. All this is too good to be true. Huh. Pretty amazing. Oh, we'll find some things. But I'm not finding a lot of attic things. I'm just not. Huh. Okay, we should have care and use manual. Oh, there they are. Alright, we'll keep talking, bud. Air duct shouldn't have more than ½ inch sag in it. So we got nails. We got vents in the attic, sag in the air duct. Exposed gas piping. Huh. Got the air filters all of them are pretty much universal. This is how you do it. I mean, I say universal, I mean all these units are the same. How do you do it? You monkey around with it till you do it. That's what you do. Alright. I'll play with that in a little bit. Sometimes you go to a different one. Interesting. Okay, I'll pull them. But your air filters are at each unit. Left side, right side, left side. Left side, this is the smallest one. That's probably the master bedroom. We're going to look at it a little more. Let's see here. Menu. Color palette. Rainbow. That's not bad. It's not bad. It looks dramatic. I could make you believe it was bad, but it's not. What we got over here? Pretty good. Pretty good, I have to say so myself. See over here where I got the exposed. See, it's 65. See, it's a little different right over here. Got a little air leak. The master bedroom one. Okay, good to know. Bad insulation. Good to know.